Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce ISP tracking and speed up your internet by changing just one simple setting. It takes less than a minute and it works on phones, PCs and Wi-Fi routers. No complicated tools, just a privacy upgrade. So the single setting that we are changing is your DNS. By default, your internet provider controls your DNS, which means that they can log every website name that you look up and sometimes slow things down. When you switch to a private encrypted DNS, your lookups are hidden from the ISP and the sites load faster because the server responds quicker. On Android phones, you can go to the settings of your device, then look for the option of the network and the internet. There you will find the option of the private DNS. So you need to turn it on and select a private DNS provider host name, confirm to save it, and from now on your phone uses the encrypted DNS instead of your own IPS default one. On Windows, open the network settings, and here you need to go to the option of the adapter settings, your Wi-Fi or the Ethernet option, and then go to the properties. Here you will see the option of IPv4 settings. So you can change the DNS from the automatic to manual and enter a trusted private DNS address, save and reconnect. So on a Wi-Fi router, you can open your router settings page, then go to the internet or WAN or DNS option, and then you can change the DNS server from automatic to your preferred private DNS. So this protects every device on your network at once. After switching, you will notice the websites are now loading faster, less buffering, and your ISP can no longer easily log the exact sites that you look up through the DNS requests. Just remember, nothing makes you 100% invisible, but this greatly improves the privacy and speed with one change. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.